Hi, and welcome to this Inriver video on the Salesforce Commerce Cloud B2B Adapter. In this video, we'll enrich a product in Inriver and then sync it straight to Salesforce Commerce Cloud B2B using our pre-built adapter. No custom dev work, no manual exports, just clean data flowing where it needs to go. As you can see in the back end of Salesforce, we currently have 2 products created. Let's use Inriver to further enrich more products, then push them to the store. Currently, under the product general enrichment workflow step, we've got 5 polo shirts. These polo shirts are missing the short and long description, stopping them from going to manager approval and getting pushed out to Salesforce. We can enrich these products by selecting the short and long description fields and triggering Inriver's inbuilt AI, Inspire. This will use custom prompts in the background to write on-brand marketing copy based off the product type and the end channel it's going to. Once this copy has been generated, a user can check it before hitting save. Going up to our assignments, you can see these products have now entered the enrichment approval step, ready for some manager approval. Before they can approve the products though, they need to select what channels these products are going to be used on. In this case, using the Excel-like UI, we're going to select Salesforce B2B and then copy and paste it to make it as easy as possible for the users to operate. Finally, we'll mark these products as approved and save, completing the internal workflow. Next, the products will be assigned to the Salesforce Commerce Cloud B2B Adapter channel. This is the final gateway that will make sure the product has all the content it needs ready to be published to Salesforce Commerce Cloud. When we jump to structure, you can see we can hold the Salesforce Commerce Cloud taxonomy, and because these products have been manager approved, they've automatically assigned to the correct node. Jumping back to our store, we can now see these products have synced directly to the Salesforce Commerce Cloud B2B backend using the pre-built adapter. As we open up one of these products, we can see all the information that came from Inriver to publish this product on the front end, including the images, variations in terms of colour, and the sizes. Thank you for watching this Inriver video.